Hello all, welcome back. Okay, I hope we have done 1 week really in a nice way. Let's enter into a second week of our training, and today we are going to learn, of course, some coding challenges around the for loop and few more interesting things. Okay, let's start. Okay, hello students, how's the Josh today?
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, sorry for asking it again. But it's good. So let me open the code. Okay, okay. I think Pankaj, you have used a var, right? Already, we have decided that we should not use var anymore. But okay, if you use var, it will work, and if you use let, it will not work. I will explain why it will not work later once we enter into some other concepts. Once you understand the scope of a variable, but for now, that's okay. Okay. In the last session, we just entered into the for loop. We just written a simple for loop. So let me write one more time. So let's take a simple example. Okay. I want to display a message for 5 times. Okay. I'm writing console.log. Okay. This is for all the beginners. Okay. I know some of you already able to write for loops and some other advanced stuff, but for even every student should understand. That's why I'm covering all the basics. So console.log, hello. Suppose if I want to display this hello for 5 times. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, this is my requirement. So what I'm doing here is node app. So it is printing. It is printing. Suppose if you want to display 10 times or 20 times, okay, instead of just copy pasting or executing in this way, it's better to use a for loop. So how we can write a for loop? Write a for loop. I hope everyone knows that. So just let I equal to 0 and I less than, okay, I'm just giving I less than 5 and I plus plus. So if you start with a 0 and so otherwise it's better to start with 1, right? There is no point because you're not using any arrays. So here either you can use I less than 6. Okay. How it will work? So I'm just putting same message like so then what will happen? So in the memory, it will store I value. Okay, we are using let, right? Let I value. We are giving 1, and we have a condition in the logic that is I less than 6. Okay, this is for complete beginners. Okay. So what we are doing in the for loop, first it will execute this statement. Okay. These are the statements. First it will execute this statement, and then it will check this condition. This is the second one. Once the condition, if the condition is true, then it will enter into this block and it will execute everything. If you have 3 statements or 4 statements, it will execute everything. Then it will go and execute this one. Okay? I hope everyone knows this. It means first it will check let I is equal to what. This is the initialization. Okay? This is the initialization. Okay, you can suppose in some situations if you want to initialize 2 or 3 variables, yes, you can go. Let so j equal to 1. Okay? So it's showing an error. Let me comma. I think okay, it's just user plus let j is equal to 1 or k equal to 10. Okay, that means don't think that we should add only one initialization. Okay, you can take two or three variables also based on the situation. Okay, right now for this example, we no need to initialize j is equal to 1 or k equal to 10, but just remember you can do that. You can do that. That is very important. That's why I'm explaining this again. And it will check the condition. It will check the condition. Here also, you can add a good expression. Okay, suppose I less than 6 with the logical operator. Suppose you can do like and I less than 6 and I less than 25. Like so this is not meaningful, but sometimes okay, you can add a expression, okay, expression, but our expectation is a boolean, either it is true or false, so that you can add using logical and logical or whatever it is, okay, whatever it is you can write that logic. So here you can write one expression properly. At the same time, in this, okay, this is the last part, right? I plus plus. Okay, you can do, suppose if you have a variable, let I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 10 or something, you can do multiple things. Okay, you can do j plus plus also, j minus minus also according to your situation. That means here in this first stage, you can initialize multiple variables. Here you can add one expression with multiple logical operators or multiple small conditions. You can construct a big condition, and here you can use this place to increment or decrement multiple variables. Okay, that is very important. Just remember this point. Of course, we are going to do some coding challenges with some good examples. Okay, here in this situation, we need to go with a simple one, that is I is equal to 1 and j, so I less than 6. Okay, just remember as a beginner, okay, you should know down like right now the value is 1, and then okay, this is the first step, and then it will check the condition, then it will check the condition, then it will check the condition. Okay, if this condition I 1, okay, so 1 less than 6, whether it is true or false. Okay, whether it is true or false. If it is true, it will enter into the block. Okay, you see, if it is true, it will enter into the block and it will execute that statement. After that, it will go for the next one, either I plus plus or j plus plus I minus plus, whatever it is. Right now here, what you are doing, you are executing I plus plus. That means you want to increment by 1. So I plus plus means it is simply I equal to I plus 1. So if the value I is 1, it will be true. So it is. So please join at least by 6:05 so that we can save our time and you don't miss anything. So I plus plus. So then what will happen? It is going to just remember, it is going to replace this value in the memory. So right now the value of I will be 2. What I'm saying, that right now the value of I will be 2. So that means, so it will execute this one, this is done, and then it has gone for this condition I less than 6, it's true. That is why it is going to execute this one. So it will go and it will execute the output. I console.log hello one time is there. This is just output, and then again it will go and check. Okay, it is not going to initialize this one multiple times. So this is the first step. It will check the condition, it will execute this one, then it will go I plus plus. After that it will come to this condition. After that it is execute this condition one more time. So after that it will execute this one more time. So now the loop will focus on the second part. So I plus plus, the I value is 2, and so now you will check in the compiler check like 2 less than 6 it's true, so that it will print one more time and it will go I plus plus. Then now the value will be, now the value will become, now the value will become, now the value will become 3, so that it will check one more time. So it will check all the conditions. Now sometimes, okay, after some time the value will be 5. 5 less than 6 true, so that it will print 5 times. Okay, 5 times, and then once again it will do I plus plus. So at the time the I value will be 6. Okay, I value will be 6. So at the time, it will check the condition again. 6 less than 6, it's false. It's false. So that it will stop executing. So it will stop executing if it is false. So I'm just putting if it is false. So it will complete that block and it will go outside. And if it is true, it will execute that statement. Okay, it will execute that statement. Console log. Console log. Okay, I hope this is simple. Okay, now tell me, everyone understood or not? I know most of you already know, but just give me confirmation that understood clearly or not, because now we are going to do some coding challenges in the live. If you have a question, if you didn't understand, ask me now itself. Understood, everyone? Just ping me yes or no. Yes or no. If you really understand, just tell me yes. Otherwise, just ask me if you have any questions. Okay. Okay. Understood, everyone. Okay. Now let's discuss few important things. Okay. So now we want to display numbers. We want to display numbers in a reverse order. Okay. Reverse order. So if I want to display numbers. Okay, first let's go with I want to display numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you know that. That means the I value are already changing from 1 to 6, so that instead of printing console.log hello, if you put I, what will happen? It will print. Just tell me whether it will print from 1 to 5 or 1 to 6.
125, sir.
Sure,
125.
everyone should say.
1 to 5, sir.
Good. I think this
One
is the
to five.
basic one. Everyone knows that. Okay, now suppose if I want to display numbers from 6 to 5. Okay, 6 to 1. Okay, what I need to do? Tell me.
Decrement.
I
Let
less
I
than
equal to
6, I
minus
minus.
minus.
Okay, I will ask one person. Okay, it's good. Okay. Randomly. Okay. Okay. Sai Kumar, just tell me what I need to do. Sai,
Yes, sir. Let I equal to 6.
let I is equal to 6.
I greater I greater than or equal to I greater than or equal to 1.
Okay.
I minus
I.
minus minus.
Okay. Fantastic.
Console dot log I.
Log. So that what it will do? Yes, definitely it
It
will
will
print
print
in a
from
reverse.
6 to 1.
Super. So this is a basic one. Hopefully everyone understood. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to enter into some interesting thing. Okay. Are you ready, everyone? Simple coding challenge. Of course, you have done already, but let's see. We can discuss that example one more time. Okay. I hope everyone is ready. Okay. So here the question is. So let me do one thing. Okay. Suppose while you are doing practice, just do some assignment 1.js kind of thing, or so that I will cross check every students. Okay, maybe I will check Pawan's Visual Studio code maybe today. Okay, I will cross check Srujan's one maybe after 1 week. But you should maintain. Okay, you should maintain practice purpose. Here the question is I want to calculate sum of first n integers. Okay. Otherwise, simple. Suppose if I give a 100, you need to calculate the sum from 1, 2, 3, from up to 100. So if I give a n value as 50, you need to calculate 1, comma 2, comma 3 like that up to 50. Okay. So now quickly, even though if you have done send me a screenshot already,
In
um,
access,
just do it one more time. Sorry, Sweta, do you have any question?
Provided an assessment, no, sir, yesterday or day before yesterday. In that assessment, it was covered, right? 1 to 100, sum of 1 to 100.
Yeah, already everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I have
okay. At
Yes,
least I
sir.
will ask one person. 1 minute, 1 minute. I will ask one person. Okay, Sweta, you only tell me how to write the program now. Quick.
first take sum equal to 0, sir. First,
Okay,
let sum equal to 0.
okay, good.
For let let I equal to 1,
Okay, good.
I less than equal to 100,
Okay,
less than equal to, sir.
less than or equal to. Okay, so yeah, very good.
I plus plus.
Okay, super. Here,
Here sum equal to sum plus I.
some place.
I.
I. Suppose we can do one thing. Let n. Okay, we can initialize the numbers instead of
Then we can give I less than equal to n.
super. And then after completing that, we need to do
So
console.log.
of sum.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so node app. Okay, is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Okay, good, good. So now tell me, okay, I know this is really, really super simple example, but okay, now tell me how many times we are doing sum is equal to sum plus one in this program?
100.
100
Up
times.
to 100. Up to 100.
So 100 times, right?
Yeah.
Suppose if I ask the
Yes.
question, right, just calculate for first 1000 numbers means how many times you need to execute this program?
1000 times. 1000
1,000
times.
times you can use.
1000 times. Okay, do you have any other shortcut to optimize this code? Actually, I got someone has sent me a screenshot. He has done in a beautiful way. So this is right program. This is not a wrong program. But what happens if I give a 1000? It is going to execute this statement 1000 times. So just to calculate first 1000 n numbers, we are giving 1000 instruction to the computer. So it will take, suppose for one instruction it will take 1 second. So it is going to take 1000 seconds to calculate this one.
In sum of the formula, sir. N
Formula
into
n into n plus 1 by 2.
What is that formula?
n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first 10 natural numbers.
N into
N plus 1 by 2.
okay. Okay, good. You can do it with the help of this one, right? Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let me rewrite the code one more time. What is let n is equal to, you can give 100 or 1000, what is your choice. And here, let the sum is equal to whatever it is. N multiply
N plus 1
n plus 1.
whole by 2.
So just be careful, because if you give, you should follow the BODMAS rule, right? Do you know? I think
Yes.
everyone knows, right? So if you don't follow the BODMAS rule, sometimes you will get a different results. So hopefully, I'm taking care of that. So now, just
You don't
log sum. Okay. Now tell me. Okay, I will execute. What is the answer now?
In 5
Now
to
also we got the same result, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
previous program is good or this program is good?
This one is good.
Why?
Means that the execution will complete.
Yeah. Just tell me one more time why this logic is very good. The reason? Just tell me in Telugu or loudly.
time complexity is
Time
so
Yeah, time complexity, right? We are going to learn data structures and algorithms. Okay, these are the foundation. These are the foundation. Okay, because if you write program, of course, that is also correct program. This is also correct program. Now tell me, how many times you're giving instruction to the computer to calculate for first sum of n numbers?
Only
Only
one. Only once.
only
Only
once.
one. Yeah.
So here, if you have even if you give 1,000 also,
Only once.
only one. So for previous program, if you give a number is 100, it is going to execute the same statement sum is equal to sum plus one for 100 times. If you give 1,000, it is going to execute 1,000 times. So that is why, okay, just learning programming is not just using a for loop everywhere. So we should think that if you have any, that's why if you know the mathematics and if you know the basic English, you know the programming I'm saying. If you're already good at mathematics, okay, programming is very easy. Okay, do you believe that or not? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
understood? Okay, so this is one simple one. Okay, very good. Because in interview also, okay, in interview also, if someone give a question like calculate sum of n numbers, n natural numbers, just use this formula. This is formula. Just write down this code. Okay, if someone, okay, sometimes what will happen whenever we attend an interview, uh, even though we have given a right answer, maybe you didn't got selected. Okay, the reason is if you write program using for loop, if it is taking 1,000 times or time complexity, so definitely that is not the right answer. That's why maybe we got rejected. Okay, so please learn. Okay, just go back and just recollect your mathematics skills. So even I forgot actually, but please just recollect your skills and utilize all your mathematics here. Definitely you will succeed. Okay, now are you ready for next challenge? Yes or no?
Yes.
It's a
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay, fine. Because okay, anyway, I'm writing the code most of the time because already you have done a practice on Saturday, Sunday. That's why I'm writing. Okay, very good. So now this is also done. This is also done. Okay, next we can go for another simple one. Another simple one. Okay. I need, okay, already I think most of you done, but I'm explaining because still I know few students are struggling to write simple programs, so that I want to explain each and everything. So that's why I'm asking, because if you are not able to understand, please ask me. I will explain one more time. Okay, please ask me. Okay, anyone have any questions, or everyone understood? Clear for everyone? Sweta, Srujan, Shobarani, Pavan, Pankaj,
yes,
Om
sir. Clear.
Prakash, Sai Kumar, Sai Kirti.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good, fantastic. So now these are the simple programs. Okay, if you understand simple things, you can do complex things easily. So let's go. So I need also we need, suppose if you have if I give a n, so if I give a n number, so what you need to do, you need to find out the sum of even numbers. Suppose sum of even numbers, suppose even numbers or odd numbers, whatever it is. So if I give 100, you need to find out the numbers which are even. So suppose 2 is even and 4 is even, like that you should calculate sum of all these even numbers. Okay. So now everyone should write and send me a screenshot quickly, no problem. Even though if you know, I need to check how many of you know or how many of you don't know. Who join with the mobile? Just type on a paper and pen and whatever it is, just send me a screenshot quickly. I think it doesn't take more than 5 minutes, right, for everyone. It's a simple one. Then we can go and complex ones. Just calculate sum of n even numbers or something. So if I give a 100, so you should calculate. You should find out the even numbers from 1 to 100 and calculate the sum. Okay, and just quickly. So some of you think that Raghu, anyway, you're uploading the recording. That's why I need to join at 6 o'clock. It's better to watch the recording. So if you take that decision, I'm saying you will never complete the recordings. It's really difficult to complete the recordings actually. So I'm just recording these sessions for the people maybe really they don't have a chance to attend the training. So I know that because uh, right now 13 are 12 students are there. Maybe next week you will lose your interest, you will lose your energy naturally once you started addicting to the recordings. First 10 days you will watch the recordings, but after that you will keep on postpone the recordings. It will never ending process. So if any of you are doing that, what I will do, I will stop recording the sessions. I will stop uploading into the YouTube so that everyone should join. Okay, because if you join the live sessions, you can learn everything in 6 months. If you follow the recordings, maybe it will take 6 years. Okay, quick, everyone should send me a screenshot quickly. There's a simple program so that then we can enter into some prime number or palindrome something, or we can enter into arrays because it's better to enter into the arrays or something. Yeah, if anyone wants to share your screen, you can share your screen and write down the program. It's much more good. What is this? I just asked the question. I'm not. So సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే నేను నాకు తెలిసి నువ్వు ఇంతకుముందు రాసిన స్క్రీన్ షాట్ నాకు మళ్ళీ పంపించావు. ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఎన్ నెంబర్స్ యొక్క సమ్ కాదు. ఫస్ట్ ఎన్ నెంబర్ యొక్క సమ్ ఇది కరెక్టే ప్రోగ్రామ్. నేను అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? నేను ఒక 100 ఇచ్చాను అనుకో, ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ 2, 4, 6, ఓకే, ప్రతి ఒక్క నెంబర్ అది ఈవెనా కాదా చెక్ చేసి ఈవెన్ అయితే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ యొక్క సమ్ కావాలి నాకు.
Got it, sir.
Got it? Okay, good. Do it now. If you join with the mobile, just ping me in the chat that I joined with the mobile. Otherwise, it's a simple thing, right? Just take a pen and paper or pencil and a paper, just write down simple logic and send me a photo in the group, WhatsApp group. I will check it later. Okay, why it is taking too much time? I hope you can finish things quickly, right? Hi, Srujan. If you join with laptop or mobile,
With laptop, with laptops.
okay. If possible, share your screen. I will help you. But strict rule is there. If you miss more than 5 sessions, definitely either I will remove you from the batch or you should pay 1,000 rupees to recharge for next sessions like that. Otherwise, I know you will miss. You will keep on missing the sessions. Yeah, I'm
Sir,
able to
can you
see.
see my
Yes,
screen?
yes, I'm able to see your screen. Yeah. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు రాయడం. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్. నో ప్రాబ్లం. మీకు ఒకవేళ మిస్టేక్స్
చేసా కానీ అది
ఓకే తప్పే ఉండొచ్చు. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. కంటిన్యూ.
Sir, can I share?
No. First, let's go with the Srujan. Yeah, good. Pawan, you're doing very good, Pawan. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ చేసిన ఎవరు? సృజన్. ఓకే, సృజన్, మనము ఇనిషియలైజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఒక్క ఈక్వల్ టు రాయాలి, 2 ఈక్వల్ టు రాయకూడదు. ఓకే, డబుల్ ఈక్వల్ టు అనేది కంపారిజన్ ఆపరేటర్, రైట్? Let n is equal to 100. Okay, this is assignment operator. Okay, so everyone should remember సింగిల్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇస్ జస్ట్ అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్. అంటే నువ్వు ఏదైనా వాల్యూ అసైన్ చేయాలంటే ఈక్వల్ టు యూజ్ చేయాలి. సృజన్, నేను అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ 100 నెంబర్స్ లో ఉన్న ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ ని యొక్క సమ్ కావాలి. ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నీకు ఎలా తెలుసు ఏది ఈవెన్ నెంబర్, ఏది ఆడ్ నెంబర్?
n/n+1.
అది అన్ని నెంబర్స్ యొక్క సమ్ కదా సృజన్. ఇప్పుడు 1 2 3
Yeah.
4 100 దానికి ఫార్ములా n/n+1. ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ కి ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ కి ఫార్ములా ఏం లేదనుకుంటా నాకు తెలిసి. సో యూ షుడ్ చెక్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ నెంబర్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఈవెన్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఓకే, ట్రై. ఏం చేయాలి? ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలో తెలుసా? ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ కాదని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తావు సుజన్? ఒక నెంబర్ ఇచ్చాను, అది ఈవెన్ కాదని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తావు?
నాకు తెలిసిన ఫార్ములా అయితే n/n+1 చేస్తే అది ఈవెన్ లకు వస్తుంది.
సుజన్, ఈవెన్ నీకు తెలిసిన ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ చెప్పు.
2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఇప్పుడు నేను నెంబర్ 6 అని చెప్పా. ఈ నెంబర్ 6 ఒక్కటే ఈవెన్ ఆడ్ అనేది ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తావు? నువ్వు ఎలా అంటే నువ్వు మ్యాథమెటికల్ గా 6 అనేది ఈవెన్ అని ఎలా చెప్తున్నావు? మ్యాథమెటికల్ గా ప్రూఫ్ ఏంటి 6 అనేది ఈవెనే అని? వాట్ ఇస్ ద మ్యాథమెటికల్ ప్రూఫ్?
అది 2 తో డివైడ్ అయింది.
కరెక్ట్. అంటే నువ్వు లాజిక్ లో రాయాలి కదా, ప్రతి ఒక్క నెంబర్ చెక్ చేయాలి. 1 అలాగే 1 వదిలేసే 2 నుంచి 3 4 5 6 ప్రతి ఒక్క నెంబర్ అది 2 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే రిమైండర్ 0 వస్తుందో లేదా చెక్ చేయాలి. 0 వస్తే ఆ నెంబర్ ని సమ్ చేయాలి, సమ్ లోకి యాడ్ చేయాలి, అదర్వైజ్ కాదు కదా. అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు ఒక బాస్కెట్ లో యాపిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మ్యాంగోస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇంతకుముందు నేను ఏం చెప్పా? అన్ని యాపిల్స్ ఉన్నాయని చెప్తే n/n+1/2 రాసావు, అన్ని నెంబర్స్ ని కౌంట్ చేయమని. ఇప్పుడు నేను అలా చెప్పలా. ఒక బాస్కెట్ లో యాపిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మ్యాంగోస్ ఉన్నాయి. నేను ఓన్లీ మ్యాంగోస్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో కౌంట్ చేయమంటున్నా, మ్యాంగోస్ యొక్క సమ్ చేయమంటున్నా. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి నువ్వు? ప్రతి ఒక్కటి అది మ్యాంగోనా లేకపోతే ఇంకొక ఫ్రూట్ అని చెక్ చేయాలి. సో రైట్ డౌన్ ద లాజిక్, గో టు ద VS కోడ్. Just remove everything, just remove the 2 lines. Okay, first just write down let n is equal to 6, n is equal to 6. Okay, ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఒక్క నెంబర్కే లాజిక్ రాయి. ఎలా రాస్తావు? ఈ n 6 అనేది ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అనేది ఇందాక చెప్పావు కదా, దానికి ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయి.
ఎన్ ఈవెన్ అంటే కన్సోల్ డాట్
నాకు మ్యాథమెటికల్ గా కంప్యూటర్ చెప్పు. ఇప్పుడు నీకు తెలుసు, నాకు తెలుసు అది ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ అని. కంప్యూటర్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తుంది అది ఈవెన్ నెంబరా కాదా అని? నువ్వు చెప్పావు కదా అది 2 తో డివిజబుల్ అవుద్దా
2
కాదా?
తో
అది అది
ఆ,
చెప్పు. అది ఎలా చెప్తావు కంప్యూటర్ కి 2 తో డివిజబుల్ చేయమని ఎలా చెప్తావు దానికి?
అది
ఏం రాస్తావు?
ఏమో సార్.
ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ రాయాలా? రాయి ఇఫ్
ఇఫ్
కండిషన్. ఎలా రాస్తావు? ఇప్పుడు ఏం రాయాలి? ఎన్
ఎన్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6.
ఎన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 6. ఆల్రెడీ ఎన్ 6 కదా, మనమే ఇచ్చాం కదా ఇన్పుట్ ఎన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 6 అనేది. ఎన్ పర్సంటైల్ సింబల్ అంటే మన కీబోర్డ్ లో 5 దగ్గర ఉంటుంది నెంబర్ కీబోర్డ్.
అదే చేశాను సార్.
ఇక్కడ పర్సంటైల్ గుడ్. 2 పర్సంటైల్ 2.
పర్సెంటైల్ 2.
2 తర్వాత డబల్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇంకో పర్సంటైల్ తీసే. 2 తర్వాత ఉన్న పర్సంటైల్ తీసేసే. డబల్ ఈక్వల్ టు తర్వాత 0.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ కర్లీ బ్రేసెస్ ఓపెన్ క్లోజ్ చేయి. ఇఫ్ తర్వాత స్పేస్ తీసేసే. ఇఫ్ ఏం రాసావు? మన ఇప్పుడు n లో 6 ఉంటే 6 పర్సెంటైల్ 2 అని చెక్ చేస్తుంది. ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే ఏంటది? ఈవెన్ నెంబరా ఆడ్ నెంబరా?
అది ఈవెన్ నెంబర్.
రాయ్ కన్సోల్ డాట్ లాగ్
ఈవెన్
రాయ్. అలాగే రాస్తావా? డబుల్ కొటేషన్స్ రాస్తావా?
డబుల్ కొటేషన్ సార్.
ఎందుకు రాయాలి డబుల్ కొటేషన్స్ లో?
దాన్ని అంటే కాల్ చేస్తుంది.
డబుల్ కొటేషన్ రాయకుండా ఊరికే ఈవెన్ అని రాస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్ రాస్తే పడదనుకుంటాను.
అది ఎందుకు పడదు అంటున్నా? ఎందుకంటే డబుల్ కొటేషన్ లో ఉంటే అది స్ట్రింగ్. డబుల్ కొటేషన్ ఇవ్వలేదు అనుకో అదొక వేరియబుల్ అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6 అని రాసాం. ఏదైనా వేరియబుల్ అది అలా ఆలోచిస్తుంది. ఏదైనా వేరియబుల్ ఏమో అని చెప్పి అది లేదని చెప్పి. ఓకే గుడ్. ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయి ప్రోగ్రామ్ని. సేవ్ చేయదాన్ని. నోట్ స్పేస్
ఓకే సార్.
ఇప్పుడేంటి? ఓన్లీ ఒక నెంబర్ చెక్ చేస్తాం.
ఈవెన్
n
ఈవెన్
6 అయితే ఈవెన్ అని తెలుసు. అట్లా నాకు 1 2 3 4 5 6 100 వరకు చెక్ చేయాలి. ప్రతి ఒక్క నెంబర్ తీసుకొని అది ఈవెనా ఆడా అని చెక్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఎలా రాస్తావు ప్రోగ్రామ్?
100 వరకు అంటే ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ మనం 6 వరకు చెక్ చేసాం.
6 వరకు చెక్ చేయాలి. ఓన్లీ ఒక 6 నే చెక్ చేసాం. ఒకటే నెంబర్ చెక్ చేసినాం కదా, అంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు నెంబర్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 ఇలా 6 నెంబర్స్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అని చెక్ చేయలేదు మనం. ఓన్లీ ఒక నెంబర్ చెక్ చేసాం, అది ఈవెన్ ఆడ్ అని.
డైరెక్ట్లీ పికప్ చేసుకొని
ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ లెట్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 7 అని రాయి ఫస్ట్ లైన్ లో. n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6 ప్లేస్ లో 7 రాస్తే ఇప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుందో చెప్పు. ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయకముందు చెప్పు ఏమొస్తుందో.
అది ఈవెన్ కాదు కదా సార్.
అదే అవుట్పుట్లో ఏమొస్తుందో ఈవెన్ కాకపోతే.
అన్డిఫైన్డ్ ఎర్రర్ అని వస్తుంది.
అన్డిఫైన్డ్ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుందా?
మేబీ అది మాత్రం ఈవెన్ కాదు కాబట్టి రాకపోవచ్చు.
ఏ అవుట్పుట్ రాదు సార్ ఇక్కడ.
ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ సృజన్. సృజన్ చెప్పు.
అవుట్పుట్ రాదు సార్ ఈవెన్ అని.
ఓకే. ఎందుకు రాదు? అంటే మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయలేదు కదా. ఇప్పుడు
ఆ,
ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ కాకపో ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? నువ్వు ఎల్స్ కండిషన్ రాయి అక్కడ. ఫోర్లో ఎల్స్ రాసి రాయచ్చా? ఎల్స్
yeah.
ఓపెన్ చేయి, ప్లేసెస్ ఎలా రాస్తావు? ఎల్స్ కండిషన్ మళ్ళీ ఫంక్షన్
Else-
ప్లేస్ ఇస్తావా? ఎల్స్ లో మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ ఇఫ్ కి మాత్రమే బ్రేసెస్ ఇస్తాం. ఎల్స్ కి డైరెక్ట్ కర్లీ బ్రేసెస్ బ్లాక్.
Okay.
ఎంటర్. అక్కడ రా ఏంటి? ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ అయితే ఈవెన్ అని ప్రింట్ చేయాలి, ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అయితే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అని
Odd
ప్రింట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే రైట్. console.log
console.log
ఏమని రాస్తాం? ఆడ్.
ఈవెన్ ఆడ్ ఆడ్
నీకు నచ్చింది రాయ్. ఏం రాద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నావు?
ఈవెన్ ఆడ్
సింపుల్. ఓకే, n% ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే ఈవెన్ అని తెలిసిపోయింది. అది ఈక్వల్ కాకపోతే ఏంటది? ఆడ్ నెంబరా ఈవెన్ నెంబరా? డౌట్ ఉందా ఇంకా నీకు?
అది ఈవెన్ నెంబర్. కండిషన్స్ ఎట్లా రాయాలో తెలియదు సార్.
ఓకే, అది ఆడ్ నెంబర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు లైన్ నెంబర్ 5లో ఏం రాస్తాం? అక్కడ ఈవెన్ ప్లేస్ లో ఆడ్ అని రాయి. అంటే ఏంటి? మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? ప్రింట్ చేస్తున్నాం. n అనేది %2 అంటే 2 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తాం.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈవెన్ అయితే ఈవెన్ అని ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ ఈవెన్ ఏమేమి కావో అవన్నీ ఆడ్ అని ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది అంతే.
అంతే. సేవ్ చేయి, ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇప్పుడు n is equal to 8 పెడితే ఏమొస్తుంది?
ఈవెన్ వస్తుంది.
ఓకే, అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది.
సో మొత్తానికి ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ వచ్చు. ఇంకా ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ ఇఫ్ ఇంకా రాయలే, నువ్వు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయలే. ఒక నిమిషం ఆగు సృజన్. నాకు తెలిసి నువ్వు ఒక్క స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పంపించలేదు కదా?
ఇంకా పంపించలేదు సార్. సార్ అసలు అంటే నాకు HTML CSS లా అట్లా రాసి అవుట్పుట్ అట్లా తీయడం తెలుసు, కానీ టర్మినల్ ఇవన్నీ తెలియదు సార్.
ఓకే సరే, నీకు టెర్మినల్లో తెలీదు. సరే పోనీ HTML రా ఇదే ప్రోగ్రామ్.
HTML అంటే HTML లో అది జస్ట్ డిజైనింగ్ పార్ట్, అంటే అవి
Okay, okay.
అంటే స్టైలింగ్ పార్ట్ అవి ఒకటే వచ్చు.
HTML CSS మాత్రమే తెలుసు, జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ రాదు. నో
రాదు.
ఒక పని చేద్దాం. నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు ఏం చదువుతున్నావు?
బీటెక్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్.
బీటెక్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్.
యా,
ఏ కాలేజ్?
వాగ్దేవి ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్.
ఓకే గుడ్. నీకు దీంట్లో ఎవరైనా మీకు ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారా? నువ్వు ఒక్కడే ఉన్నావా ఈ బ్యాచ్ లో?
ఒక్కడనే ఉన్నా.
ఎంత ఉంది నీ పర్సంటేజ్?
బీటెక్ లో థర్డ్ ఇయర్ లో మొన్న సెమిస్టర్ అయిపోయింది. 68.
ఇంతవరకు 68 వచ్చిందా? ఓకే గ్రేట్. సో ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. బిగినింగ్ లో అందరికి కొద్ది ఇబ్బంది ఉంటుంది. యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ గెట్ ఆన్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ బ్యాచ్ is there anyone is ready to help Srujan? Because you need to connect with Srujan and because we are already learned for loop. So you should, because sometimes it's very difficult as a beginner, sometimes it's very difficult to catch everything in a faster manner. So we should help each other, right? Suppose if Pawan is writing in a good way, Om Prakash can write some programs good way. So if you need any help, you can take help from your friends. Okay, who is ready?
Okay.
Okay, I will do one thing. So that's why I'm saying, if you didn't understand, tell me clearly. So what will happen? Suppose if you don't talk, if you don't send a screenshot, I don't know whether you are understanding or not. So you will complete the training. After completing the training also, you are not able to write a simple for loop also. For the time is waste, right? Time will be waste. So suppose if you have any doubt, Raghu, you are recording, that's why I'm not able to. So I will stop the recording, no problem. I will stop the recording.
No సార్.
No problem, right?
కానీ మీరు చెప్పింది అంటే క్లాస్ లో చెప్పిన కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉంటాయి చూడు, అవి నేను బుక్ లో రాసుకొని అవి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయగలుగుతాను, కానీ ఈ కొత్తగా ఇవి చేయలేకపోతున్నా.
ఓకే, ఇనిషియల్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా రాసిందంటే చూసి సేమ్ నేను ఎలా రాసానో అలాగే టైప్ చేసి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాను, అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. అదే ఈజీ
అవుట్పుట్ చూస్తే ఇంకా అంటే
అర్థమవుతుంది.
కొంచెం రిలేటెడ్ గా ఉన్నాయి కూడా
అర్థమవుతుంది.
చేయగలుగుతున్నా.
ఓకే ఓకే గాట్ ఇట్ అంటే సిమిలర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అయితే ఈజీగా ఉంటున్నాయి అంతేనా?
ఓకే
నో ప్రాబ్లం నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో ఓకే, ఐ విల్ డూ వన్ థింగ్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ బ్యాచ్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీవన్ need more help like Srujan, just tell me sincerely, because you should not say lies to doctor and teacher and your mother. So if you say lies to teacher or doctor and mother, your life will be spoiled. I'm saying to you. So if you didn't understand, tell me, Raghu, I didn't understand. Explain me one more time. Suppose if you're not able to understand my English, I will explain in Telugu. Even if you're not understanding my Telugu, I will try to explain in Hindi. Okay, I will help you. So tell me, everyone, Shobharani, you are good? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Pawan already writing good. Pankaj is also writing in a good way. Prakash, Om Prakash, what about you? Sorry, I didn't heard of anything from you. You understood or not? Om Prakash, are you able to understand simple logics? I'm not able to hear your voice actually. Okay, just at least ping me in the chat. Okay. Sai Kumar, what about you?
Yes, sir, I'm able to understand. I have
Okay,
sent you
good.
a screenshot as well now.
Sorry, tell me.
I have sent the screenshot as well also.
Okay, also very good, fantastic. Sai Kirti is writing in a good way, and I always forgot his name. What is your name? This one, Lalitamma Sri Mata. I forgot your name. Sorry for that. What's your name?
నాగేంద్ర సార్.
Yeah, Nagendra. Nagendra, నువ్వు రాయగలుగుతున్నావు ప్రోగ్రామ్స్? ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఉందా?
టైం తీసుకున్న రాయగలుగుతున్నాను సార్.
రాయగలుగుతున్నావా? Okay, very good. So what I will do, we can do one thing. Okay, we can do one thing. We can split. We can create 3 or 4 groups. So suppose Pawan is there. Okay, I will give you 2-3 friends. Okay, Pawan, Om Prakash, Sai Kumar, maybe in one group. Like Pankaj and Sweta and other people are in one group. So you can connect after completing the session, and you can stay for 15 or 20 30 minutes. You can create another meeting, and you should discuss with each other. Suppose నీకు అర్థమైందా, అర్థం కాలేదా, నువ్వు రాయగలుగుతున్నావు లేదా, అలా క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసి ఒకవేళ వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా అర్థం కాలేదనుకోండి కూర్చొని చెప్పండి. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ షేర్ యువర్ నాలెడ్జ్, డెఫినెట్లీ విల్ గెట్ మోర్ నాలెడ్జ్. ఓకే, ట్రస్ట్ మీ దాట్. ఓకే, అండర్స్టూడ్ ఎవ్రీవన్?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think we have learned only few things. Okay. Do you have time for 10 minutes? I will explain one
Yes, sir.
interesting topic.
Yes,
Everyone?
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
I got stuck, sir. Can you help me?
Yeah, sure. Share your screen. Quickly. That's why 1 hour is also not enough. 6 months also not enough sometimes. Okay. So I know, like, who already have a good knowledge, please be patient. Okay. You should wait for other people. Okay. You should help other people. Okay, even sum is equal to 0, n is equal to 10, I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus percentile. Yeah, it's correct. What happened? You know,
Save చేయలేదు sir.
save the file. Okay, what is showing? I is not defined. I is not defined now. వచ్చింది డిఫైన్ చేశారు కదా మీరు. ఇలాంటి ఎర్రర్స్ ఓన్లీ శ్వేతకు మాత్రమే వస్తాయి. వై శ్వేత?
సార్ ఆల్రెడీ నెంబర్ ఎన్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా సార్.
లెట్ ఎన్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ లెట్ ఐ చేశారు కదా.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు
Sir, remove comma last in the
Okay, okay,
last of
okay. Line number
remove
4, you have given a
4.
semicolon.
Yeah, semicolon, sir. That's why it is coming.
Yes, yes, sir. Very good, Pankaj. Very good. So, if you give a semicolon, okay, execute one more time.
That's why it is not
Yes,
executing the.
executing the mix. Got it? Got it, Sweta? Got it? Okay, hopefully.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Pankaj. Thank you, sir, for helping me.
Okay, no problem. You don't need to say thanks to anyone. Okay. Okay, you can say thanks to Pankaj, no problem.
I have fine right my
Yeah,
mistakes.
yeah. Good. So, okay, let's go with 5 minutes so that at least. So that's what I'm saying. If you're stuck, that's why I that's why you need to send a screenshot. If you send a screenshot, at least I should know that what you're learning. Okay, that's why, because if you start learning JavaScript using a tutorial, the trainer don't know who are you and what you are doing, what you are understanding. So that's completely different. Of course, if you are able to understand, that is fine. That is fine. But I'm saying like 100% now. Okay, if you have, suppose 100 students are there, only 20 students can understand through tutorials. 50 students need some help. 100 students, like another 50 students need more help. Okay, okay, fine. So let's go to another important topic. Of course, prime number, all those things we can discuss tomorrow. And now we are going to enter into one super important topic. That is, anyone guess what is the topic? We start with A.
KRS.
Okay, RS.
Strongly.
Okay, I think I have shared my screen, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah. So arrays means you can store information in a continuous memory allocation. So right now, okay. So please, who have any doubts, please take help from Pankaj or Pawan or Sai Kirti and even Sweta and learn quickly and come back. Okay, so we can do one thing. So suppose marks are there. Okay, previously how we have stored marks. Suppose subject 1 is equal to some 50 marks, and let subject 2 is equal to 46 marks, and let subject 2 and subject 3 is equal to suppose 89. So instead of that, what we can do, we can store, because this is the related data, right? This is subject 1, this is subject 2, this is subject 2, subject 3. So instead of storing in a multiple variables, okay, we can store like this, okay, marks. This is array, okay, just use this brace, okay, this is what we can call this brace one. Curly brace is different, functional brace is different. This is square brackets, right? Yeah, square brackets. So just enter your marks details. Suppose 56 and 47 and 89. So this is an array. So I'm just removing this one. So what will happen? Just remember, in the memory, it will store in the continuous blocks. That right now, don't worry about that how much memory it will take for each and every block. So suppose if you have 6 subjects, just imagine it will store like this. Because JavaScript is different. It's not similar to all other programming like C, C++, Java, and C#, .NET, or PHP, Python. Every programming language, almost the structure is like internally it's same. But JavaScript is different. That's why it's very, very difficult to learn JavaScript perfectly without having a guidance from a trainer. Okay? So because lots of twists and turns are there. Okay. So right now, suppose if you have 6 subjects, just it will store like this 78 and okay, something like that. Okay. So, but here arrays will the index numbers. How to read the arrays? Okay, let's see. I'm just storing the values. Okay, let marks is equal to. So I'm just storing 89, like 23, 34, 77. So I just given 600. So just use comma. Okay, just use comma. Suppose if you want to see what is there in the array, just do console.log marks. Just do here. Yes. So if you do a node app, okay, it will give you exact array of information. So now I want to read, suppose the first value. I want to read the first value. So what I can do simply because this is very special. So whenever you store information in array, it will create a separate index for that. Okay, just a minute. Someone is trying to join. So it will store with the help of indexes. The index will start from 0. That is very important. Okay, index will start from 0. That means if you have a 6 subjects, the last index is 5. Suppose if you have a 6 subjects, that means you are storing 6 variable information. So index will start from 0, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, Maharaj. Okay, we can discuss those things later. So this is marks. So yeah, if you want to calculate the length, okay, we have a predefined one. Okay, that is absolutely good. So suppose if you want to read, suppose just imagine this is a Telugu, Hindi, English, maths, and science and social. Suppose if you want to read a marks of maths. So here you can read the value with the help of index number. You can read a value of an array with the help of index number. This is very important. So how we can read? Suppose if you do console.log means it's just a printing, like you're just giving the output. So here just mention the variable name, that is marks, and just provide the index number. So what is the index number for maths? What is the index number for maths? Can anyone tell me? What is the index number for maths details according to this order?
3.
So this is for Telugu, Hindi, English, maths. So what is the index number? That is
3.
3. That is 3. Okay. So that just give the index number. So array symbol is square brackets. Just in that square brackets, you just mention a 3. So now if you see, so here I'm just writing no. So you're able to read that value, particular value. So now tell me again, what is the value of Hindi?
1.
Array
Index
1.
number?
Index
Marks
value
of 1.
47.
Array of 1. Very good. Fantastic. Okay, I hope you understood what is an array. Okay, everyone just tell me, understood or not? Quick.
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Very good.
Understood.
So now if you see, I will give a coding challenges. Okay, I will give a coding challenge. Okay. Calculate this total. Okay, I will explain this one. I will give some assignments. Suppose if you want to calculate the total, so previously we have a let subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5, subject 6, so that you are doing where like let total is equal to subject 1 plus subject 2 plus subject 3 plus like that, right? So here also if you want a total, you need to calculate like marks of 0, right? Marks of 0 means Telugu, and plus marks of 1, like that you need to write. So I'm just doing let the total is equal to okay, marks of 0 plus marks of 1 plus marks of 2 because we need to read each and every subject details, right? Marks of 3 plus marks of. So for to understand, to explain clearly for beginners, I'm explaining like this. So maybe some of you already know. So you need to wait for a few more days. So what is the index number? Maximum index number. So 0 means it is representing a Telugu, it is representing a Hindi, 2 representing the English, 3 representing the maths, science, social. So you got the total. Okay. So I'm just doing console.log total. Okay. Just tell me whether it is correct or not. So you're able to calculate the total. So what it is doing, marks of 0 means it is taking the value 56. Then marks of 1, so it will go and check the index number. Okay, the index number 1 is at index number 1 it is storing 47. So it will take that values and it will calculate and it will print the. Okay, understood everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, hopefully you guys understood. So now I'm giving some assignments. Okay, some assignments. So just take your marks details. Okay, let marks. You can just store your 10th class marks or something. So just check the total with for loop. Just calculate the total with the help of for loop. Just try it out because you know how to use the for loop, right? Okay, and in the same way, after calculating the total, just tell me, calculate the percentage also and grades. Same way how you are define the grades in a simple loop. Okay, this is the first assignment. So I will post other assignments in the WhatsApp group. Okay, this is a simple assignment. You should finish, and remaining things I will add in a WhatsApp group. Understood everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
High or low? I need your voice. How's the Josh?
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir.
Okay, let's do. So I'm saying if you don't send us screenshot, I will consider that you are not doing practice. If you are not doing practice, you are not going to learn anything. And hopefully, if you don't practice for 1 week, hopefully you are not going to join the next session. Okay, that's it. Okay, so hopefully, if you want to learn sincerely. Otherwise, just enjoy happily. Okay, don't waste your time. Okay, thank you and see you tomorrow again. And we are going to learn, we are going to write lots of code, and we are going to learn each and everything in sincerely. And I will discuss with you in the WhatsApp group. I'm going to create minimum 5 groups with at least 4 students or something like that. How many students are interested? So please help others. Okay. If you help others, you will get more knowledge. Okay. Thank you and see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Uh,